Hey guys, today we're going to talk about unboxing of an Innova heater. What we have here in front of us is a 4,000 watt unit. Both the 4,000 and the 5,000 come in the same box. So this is what you're going to get when you order one of those heaters. First, you're going to want to get yourself a sharp knife to open up these straps so you can see what comes with the heater. Be very careful as we use very heavy duty staples to close the box. But make sure that you're very cautious of those staples because they can cut you. Once you open the box, the first thing you will see in there is the instruction and service manuals. And it's very important that you hang on to this because you're going to need it for the installation, but you also may need it later for servicing or even for the warranty information. Next thing you want to do is to remove all the foam protective packaging inside. There's quite a bit of it in there because we want to make sure the units are safe. Then you will come across the standard safety grid, which is what you see here installed on this unit. I'll take it out of its packaging so you can see it. Again, this is the standard safety grid that comes with all units. Then you will have another small box. This is the installation brackets, which are specifically designed for our heater units to make sure a couple things. One, that it is 6 inches from a wall or ceiling once installed. And also you'll notice these pre-drilled holes which determine different angles of installation. So depending on the height and the size of the room, these angles will determine what installation method you will use. Inside you will also find a small little baggie. Make sure you hang on to this and you don't lose it because you're going to need these nuts and washers to install the heater elements onto the heater itself. Then we get to the main body of the unit. So here it is right here. It's protectively wrapped in plastic to protect the finish itself. Please note that it's made of 304 stainless steel, and it's also available in white and in black. The bottom of the box, you will see the heater elements. They are protected with a series of cardboard layers. I'll take it out of the box so you can see it. You pull one of these back and it will reveal a very hard cardboard outer layer. Inside that is a corrugated layer that protects the glass heater element. There it is there. One very important thing to note is on the end of the heater element, it will be a stamp that says Innova on it, but it also has a very important part, which is it will indicate what voltage this is. So in this particular case, it's a 240 volt and it's stamped with that. You would also see a 208 volt, a 277 volt, or a 480 volt, depending on which heater element you require for your installation. And that is what's inside an Innova heater box.